Hey guys, the winter release for the Happy Planner is coming on December 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time, and this large size sticker book is releasing with it. So I thought I'd do a separate flip through. I should have included it in probably one of the other ones, but we're just gonna flip through it real quick with you. So this will be a short one, I guess. So it's called Gentle Reminders. I love the large size sticker books. I have quite a collection going of those. They are perfect because for me at least, like the big Happy Planner has so much space and I love to use all the space, right? But of course you can use these in any size planner. The first page is on clear sticker paper. We have Smile Today, celebrate the small victories, keep going and growing, do what makes you happy. You can do tons of amazing things, just not all at once. Beauty and strength come from within. Look at that little smiley face, that's cute. And the little flower, the little sparklies. You know I like sparklies. So this is a book of quotes, in case you're wondering. Gentle reminder quotes. Okay, so the second page is gold foil. Be daring, my darling. Oh, what a wonderful week. Be happy, be bold, brave, and brilliant. We have another little smiley face. Oh my gosh, are we going to get one on each page? Maybe I can do a whole spread of smiley faces. I don't know. He's so cute. There's no nose, but I like it. Strong heart, brave spirit, one step at a time. Focus, you're born to fly. Make your dreams happen. Is this all going to be on clear? No. Okay, so that's still clear though. No smiley on this page, Happy Planner. What's your problem? No, I'm just kidding. This is like a light blue gray color in the background, so you can totally cut stuff out of this, you know, do your own thing, you know. You were made to bloom. Come on, like do it. You're capable of amazing things. Stay present. Today is yours. All that kind of stuff. And that is on paper. And now this is on paper as well. Wait, are they all? No. Okay. That would make my flip throughs easier. Trust your heart, progress, not perfection. Create the life of your dreams. So these have this really pretty splash of color behind them. This is clear. Always be brave, happy place. Take time to make your soul happy. One happy life. There he is, or she. Clear. Be bold. Put your heart into all that you do. Dream, believe, achieve. So you could take one of these stickers and like make it just the center point of your spread. You know, you can put like this big sticker in the middle of your spread. You know, let love grow, and then maybe put flowers on your spread or and hearts, or do like a theme, you know what I mean? Like this one, root for each other and watch each other grow. So if you want to do like, I don't know, an encouraging friendship spread or something, like you can make that the focal point and then work around that to do like a theme. That's what I plan to do. Get a little better each day. Bring on today. This is on clear. Also clear. Seek joy, go with the flow, live a life that is full. Ready for the day. Clear. Make big plans, live life in full color. Again, like use that and then like do a whole colorful spread. I don't know. Aim for the stars and do like a boho stargazer spread or something. Shine bright. Enjoy life. Kind heart, brave soul. Love today. Let joy be your compass. Lots of little smiley faces. And then this is on paper. Live out loud, gold foil. Grow through what you go through. Rest and relax. You are so rare. This is on clear. Today is the day. Learn and grow. There's beauty and simplicity. Start somewhere. And then this is on paper. Trust the journey. Make way for today. Let your dreams blossom. Like that foil there. Another smiley face guy, but he's foil on this like dark gray background, which is kind of cool. It's almost like a blue gray. So basically you have quotes for every spread. You know what I mean? It's going to match so many spreads, like these different colors and stuff. And a lot of them are pretty neutral too. So you're able to just take this and pop it down when you need some big, you know, just a big inspiration on your page or something. Oh my gosh, I've done so many flip throughs that I'm kind of like having trouble speaking. So if you notice that, that's why. Anyway, I really like this sticker book. It's nice to just have quote sticker books to grab stuff when you need them, right? And I love the large size sticker books so much. So anyway, thanks Happy Planner for sending it to me, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. Don't forget my link will be in the description box, and I hope you enjoy the winter release. Some exciting stuff coming. See ya.